What if I told you I'm really excited just to open this bag? What could be inside? So today in this video, I'm going to unbox my shoes. Brand new shoes I recently bought it from the market, and everything looks so good and everything. Why is it so difficult to open this bag? Wow! The shoes name is written on this package, Air, and the shoes is from the Air company of the Chinese parents, and you can see everything. Wow, the packaging looks so good, and wow, everything looks so good. The shoes is so delightful. I like the design very much. Everything looks so cool, amazing, and fresh. You can see the side, every design looks so good. And look at that sole, it's so good. I like this. It looks so cool. Everything you can see, and you can get a pair, and you can get those at 4,000 rupees in Nepali market. And I'm gonna keep it aside. What may be written on this paper? You can see. Oh, what is written? Oh, Do Easy Sneaker. Yes. And I also bought a brand new pants, and I like the color and I like the design very much because it's quite simple, and that's made me so attracted towards this product, and everything looks so good, and you can see everything on, and everything looks so good, so I like it. Now I'm about to wear the shoes. You can see, wow. So I'm gonna wear